while walking through gave me surprise. The door slammed shut and I was traumatized. A moment of panic, it's not fantastic, instead so tragic. It's going down like Titanic. It's been way too long for me. Bored of counting sheep 1, 2, 3. There's no path for me to flee. Banging on the doors to break free. I've been waiting long and wait, running out of air, I can't breathe. Sitting down, regretting my steps that took me here, feeling my heart torn. It's been way too long for me. Bored of counting sheep 1, 2, 3. There's no path for me to flee. Banging on the doors to break free. I've been waiting long and wait, running out of air, I can't breathe. It's been way too long for me. Bored of counting sheep 1, 2, 3. There's no path for me to flee. Banging on the doors to break free. It's been way too long for me.